the knight, so you got to be a little careful. He goes knight d5. Black actually makes the pawn push. He actually finds this, which is amazing. 400's like playing like this. Jynxzis finally gets here, and he takes correctly, giving up the bishop because he realizes he has 4 extra pawns. And it's not even that he has 4 extra pawns. By a miracle, the knight can't move. There's no knight b5, there's no knight c4, there's no knight c2. Everything is, you know, king b2 is there, rook a1 is there, the knight is going to perish. This pawn's not good enough. Black also just loses a pawn for good measure. And now rook a5 and all these moves, rook a5, but whatever. Like, I don't care. And if you cannot trade rooks down 5 pawns, he trades. Now king b2 is easy. When you have pawns on sides of the board, like, just push the pawns. When it's empty, you could just go. The center, you know, you got to push the pawns on the sides. No knight checks. I like to make a rule in the endgame. No checks. Like, no checks for no reason. No checks. Yeah, see, now we're wasting. And now we find the move. And now we win the game. No drama, no memes. That's actually mate in 1, which is kind of crazy. But if your technique is just to get 2 queens, that's fine. Now you put the queens on like, you know, every other row, and then you do the shuffle. No checks, you know, no checks until you have the setup. But fine, this should be clean. And there it is. There's the ladder. Like, that's how we convert the position. I mean, both of these games were excellent games for 400 level players. In the beginning, Black actually found the idea to coordinate the knight and the bishop and the queen and the rook on the same diagonal. And the way you learn this with white, maybe you don't play queen f3. Like, maybe you need to keep the queen back here. Maybe you need to reserve the square for the knight. Alternatively, I mean, you have to chop in the center, because if you chop and then the opponent goes for this, it's different, because at least now you have hanging pieces. So they take your rook, but then you take the bishop, and, you know, you threaten this. And when the queen comes out, it needs to really, like, come out and cause some problems. But Black messed up. Black messed up, took the wrong piece, and then actually almost launched a massive bit of counterplay.